Hello, welcome to another video. I am Hebrew Hybrid, and in this video I'll be unboxing some of my Magic the Gathering Assassin's Creed box sets here. Now, as you can see, I've been pretty busy on acquiring some of the Magic the Gathering Assassin's Creed cards. I've been picking up packs here and there, one or two at a time, from the local GameStop and Targets. I just recently acquired this Magic the Gathering Collector's Booster. There is one pack in this box, and this pack contains 10 foils. One of them is like a special etched foil. It's got some kind of texture on it, so I'll be unboxing that separately. But there's going to be two videos. I'll be doing a video unboxing these packs right here along with the Collector's Booster. I'll also be doing a video where I'll be unboxing this bundle set here along with the starter kit. Starter kit comes with 2 decks along with 2 holofoil cards. I believe the holofoil cards are exclusive to this deck. You cannot get these in packs. And I think there might be some cards that might be exclusive with the deck as well. That's part of the set. I also believe there's going to be some cards in both decks that's exclusive to this box set as well. I will be unboxing this starter pack right here that contains 2 decks, and I'll also be unboxing this bundle box right here as well. Every pack is guaranteed a holofoil. Some packs may contain 2 holofoils, and I think there may be a very slight few packs that might have 3 holofoils. If I'm wrong or if I'm right, let me know in the comments section so that I'll know for sure. I am thinking about building my own Assassin's Creed Magic the Gathering deck. I might need more cards than what I have on this table. In a separate video, I will be unboxing these Beyond Booster packs along with the collector's pack that I got here in this box. This box contains 1 pack. It's 10 cards in the pack, while the Beyond Boosters has 7 cards in a pack. Every card in this 10 card pack is going to be holofoils. You might stay tuned for towards the end of this video. I'll be showing off some of my Assassin's Creed novelties that I've collected within the past several years because I'm a big Assassin's Creed fan. I've always loved the video games, and as far as strategy guides, action figures, other kinds of novelties, you're in for a treat. Without any further ado, let's start doing an unboxing of the starter packs here along with the booster box right here as well. As you can see, I have the Assassin's Creed Universes Beyond bundle box here. These are getting a lot more scarce. I ordered this off of Target.com, and I ordered over the past weekend, and when I got it in the mail, I checked online again just in case, I might want to order another box just in case, I might want like another 9 packs, instruction books, so on and so forth. Here is what the contents inside: the 9 booster packs, the spin down life counter die, 20 traditional foil, and 20 regular basic lands. Magic the Gathering Assassin's Creed card box, and an Altair traditional foil Royal Assassin card, plus 2 reference cards as well. These were sold out on the Target website. They were roughly around $51 plus tax, and that was like one of the best deals I saw online. And it's a shame that Target sold out of these. The Assassin's Creed starter kit right here contains 2 starter decks, 2 ready to play 60 card decks, and a Magic play guide as well. I'm going to open the starter kit first. Every card that's in both decks is going to be the very same in every single starter kit, and these are still pretty plentiful. You can still find them at your local GameStop, your local Targets. Not every single Target's going to have them in stock though, just like every store is going to have their own different inventories going on. Let's get started, shall we? I'm going to use the knife here to possibly cut any seal that's on the side of this box, but it just looks like there's no tape seal. So I'll probably just be opening it through the side of the box. Set that down like so. Just kind of run my finger across where it's glued here. I am the type of collector that likes to try to keep the boxes looking somewhat intact. I don't like to try to rip it all open too much. I'm going to kind of score this a little bit, make that a little bit easier to open, like so. Kind of slide these out a little bit. Comes with foldable deck boxes here. Now these deck boxes are not big enough for you to put sleeves on each and every single card. You'll have to have specific deck cards, deck card boxes to be able to do that if you want every single card in your 60 card deck to be sleeved. But if you're not the type to do so, then these boxes should be big enough to fit all 60 cards in the decks that you'll be putting together or have put together that you're going to be unwrapping in this starter kit. And here is the Universes Beyond Magic the Gathering Assassin's Creed Ubisoft Starter Kit Play Guide. It's got its instructions and what all goes for Assassin's Creed Magic the Gathering, or probably just Magic the Gathering in general. Going to open the cellophane wrapping like so. I might have to use my knife, kind of cut along the side here. Nice. Get a nice look at this Ezio Blade of Vengeance card. Here's what the back looks like, just like any other Magic the Gathering playing card. It is a hollow foil, and it looks like a pretty good card to play with too. A good card to have in your deck. Like I said I was gonna do earlier, gotta put a protective sleeve around the hollow foil card, like so, and then put it in a top loader. Nice. Get a closer look at the rest of these cards here. We have Achilles Davenport, Auditor Ambush, another Auditor Ambush, Roof Bypass, Tranquilize, another Tranquilize, a third Tranquilize. Then we'll have the Hookblade Veteran, another Hookblade Veteran, Brotherhood Spy. Gonna have 3 Brotherhood Spies in this deck, along with the Assassin Den. 2 Assassin Dens in this deck. The Merciless Harlequin. Looks like we have 3 of those in this deck. We have Brotherhood Patriarch. Another Brotherhood Patriarch. The Poison Blade Mentor. Got 2 of those. Brotherhood Ambushers. Got 3 of those in the deck. Got the Hired Blade. Got 3 of those in the deck. Submerged Boneyard. Got 3 of those in the deck. Assassin Initiate. Got 1. Restart Sequence. Got 1. Chain Assassination. Got 1. Eagle Vision. Towering Viewpoint, Murder. Got 2 murder cards in here. Here we have some of the land cards, which is kind of like the mana with the traditional Magic the Gathering. This is the basic land island. Got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of those, along with the basic land swamp. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, oh, 11. We have 11 swamps, and then we have assassin and treasure token cards. Token artifact, token creature. Right here is a card detailing about blocking and attacking, along with what to do on your turn. I'm going to open this other starter pack as well, the starter deck. Kind of score the cellophane along where the seam is at. Cut it down the sides here. Open that up. We're going to get a closer look at this holofoil card here. This is Ivor, Battle Ready. It's a nice looking holofoil. I'm going to get a plastic sleeve for it. Fit it in like so. Very nice. Set that right over here. And let's take a closer look at some of these cards. Escarpment Fortress. Got one of those. Searcher, Fiery Juton, or Uton, depending on how you want to pronounce it. In the English language, the letter J is the only language in English that's pronounced J, while all other languages throughout the earth pronounces it Ya or Ha. So you got Suture, Fiery, Jotun. You have Raven Clan, War Axe. You got 2 of those cards. Detained by Legionnaires. You got 3 of those. Battlefield Improvisation. 2 of those. Settlement Blacksmith. So you have 3 of those. We have the Keen-Eyed Raven. 3 cards for that. You have the Head Splitter card. 2 of those. Mystios Fury. Got 3 cards for that. Spartan Veteran. 2 cards for that. Labyrinth Adversary. 3 cards for that. Bureau Headmaster. Got 3 cards for that. Now we're on to some of the land cards. Stone Quarry. 2, 3. Got 3 of that. Now we have the Hook Blade. Looks like we have 2 cards for that. We have Ezio Brash Novice, which I'm hoping to get a holo of not only of this specific Ezio Brash Novice, but also there's a variant card that I've seen that looks very nice. Hope I get the standard variant card and also the holofoil variant card. But that's that's a pretty decent card to have in your deck, I believe. This is also a pretty common card too. It's not really exactly rare, especially since it's going to be in a starter deck. But a lot of the pack out opening videos that I've watched so far, there's plenty of Ezio Brash Novices to go around. We have Arba's Mirror. We have Towering Viewpoint. We have 2 of those. Here's some more land cards. We have planes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plane cards. Planes cards, should I say. And then we have the mountain cards. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of those. And here's some more of the token cards. Token Creature Assassin. We have 2 of those, and on the backs we have the Token Artifact Treasure cards. They're going to be the same front and back on these 2. I'll be slipping these cards into this deck and these cards into this deck so they won't be getting lost at all. They'll be confined to each other. Now let's see what's in store for the booster box. I've been dying to open this up and looking through the 9 packs that's going to be inside of here. This booster box, this bundle box, has got a rip tab here. Just pull it open like so. Hopefully whenever you get to open your box, it opens a little bit better than what mine does. Yeah, probably just gotta rip it open like so. Gotta be fast about it, like pulling off a band-aid. Opening the flaps like so. Pulling the contents out. Here's the Footblade art. There is a Footblade card that's in the 100 card assortment. Very nice. Let's get a good view of all around the art all around this box here. Assassin's Creed Ubisoft Original. Okay, let's open the lid like that. Pull the packs out like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packs, just like it says on the box. Set those over here like so. And then 2 generically wrapped assortments here. One of them should be the land cards, the other one should be hollow foils, which, judging by what it looks like through here, this should be the generic land cards, and I believe these should be the hollow foil cards. We'll set these over here like so. And here is the die that comes in the box. This is the security strip right here. Right here you have tokens and a punch card to punch out here. And let's open these cards right here. It's like we have some planes, basic land, 1, 2. Here's another different kind of planes. Got 2 of those. Here's some island cards. Got 2 of those. We have 2 other island cards. Looks like it has a statue of Poseidon. We have 2 swamp cards. 2 other different style of swamp cards. We have some mountains. We have other mountains. Here's some forests. Got 2 of those. And 2 other mountain cards. The card detailing what to do on your turn, popular magic formats, then how to cast spells, and attacking and blocking. Let's open the pack of holofoils next here. Let's get a closer look at the Royal Assassin. Holofoil playing cards. Let's get a better look at these holofoil playing cards. Island. Swamp. Swamp. Mountain. Mountain. Forest. And these forests. Of course, you already know I'm looking for the Ezio Brash Novice alternate, standard and holofoil. I'm also looking for several other character cards as well, such as Altair Ibn La'ata. I'm also looking for other character cards such as Altair Ibn La'ahad. I'm also looking for Ezio Auditore, looking for Desmond Miles, also looking for Connor Kenway, which is the main character that you play as in Assassin's Creed 3, but his card is named with his Native American Indian name. A lot of people have trouble pronouncing it. I know I have trouble pronouncing it, so I'll just call him Connor Kenway. Going to open this card here. I'm also looking for certain artifact cards as well, like Excalibur, looking for Mjolnir. I am looking for the Staff of Hermes, looking for the Apple of Eden, and also the Spear of Leonidas, I think it's the Spear of Leonidas. But let's pull these cards out like so, because I am meticulous. We have Hemlock Vial, Loyal Inventor. Ooh, Bleeding Effect. That's a nice one. It's definitely one that I've been wanting. Here's a Forest Land card. Set that up here like so. Here we have Mary Read and Anne Bonny. Pretty nice card. Here we have a Tax Collector Holofoil and Aya of Alexandria, along with an Assassin token card. I'll set my holofoils right here. We have the Hidden Footblade, Become Anonymous. Adewale, Breaker of Chains. Nice character card. Set it over here like so. There's a Swamp land card. Set the land card over here. Sean and Rebecca Agents. Another standard character card here. Holofoil Black Market Connections. We have Alexios, Demos of Cosmos. Very nice variant character card. And here we have an art card. And it's a gold foil signature card as well. As you can see. And I might go ahead and put the art card into a sleeve and a top loader as well. Especially since it's a printed signature series. Assassin Initiate, Smoke Bomb, Shay Cormac, an Island card, Cover of Darkness, Holofoil Shay Cormac. They have a variant character card as well, Arbaz Mir. Interesting. Let's go ahead and open all these packs anyway. Here we have a Templar Knight. Go for the Throat. The Hunter's Bow. A Plains land card. Set that over here like so. Here we go. Spear of Leonidas. Nice. Towering Viewpoint. And Shay Cormac. Nice. We have Fall of the First Civilization. I'm going to go ahead and put that in a sleeve. That's one of the cards that I was hoping I'd get, whether it's going to be holo or standard. We have Reconnaissance, Propaganda. We have a Forest card. Oh, beautiful. The Animus card was what I was also hoping for as well. Go ahead and put a sleeve on that. Would also like to have a holofoil of that too. This card is definitely a score! You have the Eagle Vision holofoil card. Here we have Xiao Jun. We have Alexios, Demos of Cosmos. Set that character card over here. Ballad of the Black Flag. Shay Cormac. A Forest land card. There we go. Altair Ibn La Ahad. That's one of the cards I was hoping to get. Score! Nice. I'll put a sleeve on that one. We have a Terminate holofoil. And we have an Edward Kenway. It's a pretty nice card. Here we have a Hemlock Vial. Distract the guards. Lydia Fry. Here's the planes. Sigurd Jarl Ravensthorpe. Oh hey, look what we got here. Remember what I was saying? Oh, we got two holofoils here. Holofoil Ezio Brash Novice and a holofoil Arnold Dornan. Set this character card over here, and let's get these holofoils in the proper protective equipment here. This is a major score! All I'm lacking is the variant card for the Ezio Brash Novice. Adresja, Xiao Jun, Fatal Push. We have an island card. Do what must be done. We have a Hidden Blade, holofoil card, another Xiao Jun, and here is an art card of what I pulled previously. And here is the last pack from the bundle box. You have the Monastery Raid, Become Anonymous, Reconstruct History. I've seen this card in some videos. It's a nice card to have. This is definitely going to be a keeper as far as what the collection is going to go for. If I get another one, might put it in my deck, may not, depends. But yeah, this is going to get a sleeve. So what else we have here? We have a Swamp card, a Swampland card. Ooh, Sword of Feast and Famine. Nice. Templar Knight. And Shay Carmack, Assassin token card. Get a closer look at these specific cards here. Sean and Rebecca, Ottawali Breaker of Chains, Sword of Feast Famine, Fall of the First Civilization, Bleeding Effect, Reconstruct History. Beautiful. Now, as I'm getting these out of the way, I'm going to show you some of my other Assassin's Creed novelties I was telling you about earlier in the video. Here is the strategy guide for the original Assassin's Creed video game. That was for the PlayStation 3, I believe, and the Xbox 360. Contains a 24 by 36 pull-out map poster. I was able to use this to find all the 100 Templars that you have to kill in the game to get the achievement. Got summaries of what all the quests were and the main objectives that you had to perform in order to complete the game. Here is a hardcover strategy guide of Assassin's Creed Brotherhood. I'm a sucker for just novelties, period. I have used some strategy guides in the past with certain video games, especially with Marvel Ultimate Alliance. I've used strategy guides for the Assassin's Creed games, but I went ahead and bought this particular strategy guide in hardcover just as a keepsake, as a novelty. But Assassin's Creed Brotherhood is more or less my most favorite Assassin's Creed game, mostly because of not only the storyline, but also the fact that you can recruit assassins, send them out on missions. You can call them out to help you out on the certain missions that you're performing. This was also the first Assassin's Creed game that had a multiplayer on it as well. But yeah, Assassin's Creed Brotherhood was definitely my most favorite Assassin's Creed game. And here is a hardcover of Assassin's Creed 3. I still have not opened the cellophane wrapping on it. It is slightly torn as far as the cellophane wrapping is concerned. But yeah, I just bought this as just a novelty, as a keepsake. File it away on my bookshelf. And last, but certainly not least, as far as my novelties are concerned, is the Assassin's Creed Brotherhood Hidden Blade, the Ezio Auditore Roleplay Gauntlet. Yep. I forgot how much I paid for this. It wasn't really all that expensive. I think it was like less than $50. It's created by NECA, Ubisoft property. Player select. Yeah. I thought about getting 2 of these since Ezio's got 2 hidden blades, but you know, I missed out on not getting a second one. If I'm gonna be totally truthful. This draws a conclusion to this unboxing video of the Assassin's Creed Magic the Gathering box sets. 2 nice holofoils exclusive to the starter decks, along with the boxes of the specific decks. Be sure to be on the lookout for the other video. The other video contains the Beyond Booster Pack openings and also a pack opening of the Collector Series. Collector Series contains 10 cards, all holofoil, and it's definitely going to be a very interesting watch. Both videos does contain extra content as far as Assassin's Creed novelty merchandise. If you enjoyed this video, shoot me a like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, support your local comic book, toy shop, the local brick and mortar store. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And maybe I might purchase another box.